So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic leadership qualities. So guys, this video will be about pastoral care. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as we just have this one question to answer here. It says, Peter in his epistle charged his fellow elders to A. Be strong in their faith. B. Have compassion on the weak. C. Tend the flock of God. D. Take care of their families. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's to tend the flock of God. And that's it for this question. So that's it for this video, guys. And this is where we'll end this lesson for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.